Coffee with the Mighty Miracle Man time. And today, let's talk about Onpassive's global community. We'll highlight the thriving global community that they built, comprising entrepreneurs, marketers, and other business professionals. We'll discuss the collaborative environment fostered by Onpassive, offering networking opportunities, support, and knowledge sharing. Now, Onpassive global community is power and enables people all across the world to have collaborative capabilities and learn and support each other. That's so super significant in the context of the digital transformation. And they're also a very vibrant and engaged community that Onpassive has cultivated. And there's a vast array of different professionals and businesses within the community, fostering a rich ecosystem within the ecosystem of knowledge and expertise. Like I'm a personal trainer and lifestyle coach. Others are IT people that know all about the computers. Still others are way into cars, and still others know about redox signaling and how it helps the body. With this vast array of community members, we have the opportunity to network available within the ecosystem, and we can discuss events, conferences coming up, and other online forums where members can connect, collaborate, and build valuable relationships. Like I'm building the relationship with several deaf people. I'm really enjoying that. The Onpassive community is very supportive, and they have members that can guide you and offer mentorship from experienced professionals. This is why it's the future of internet. These resources offer a big support system for funding entrepreneurs and businesses in their digital transformation journey. I spoke a little bit about the importance of collaboration, but that encompasses knowledge sharing and learning too. Never stop learning. Members can discuss educational materials access the training programs and other expert insights to enhance your skills and stay updated with industry trends. Now you should understand the value of being part of the Onpassive community. It's free to sign up, so go do that in the description. You should recognize the opportunities for networking, support, and knowledge sharing. These collaborations exist within the community that makes it all possible. You're encouraged to actively engage with the community, maximize the efforts in Onpassive. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And there's another one coming up. And if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.